What is up, YouTube? Have you ever bought one of these done-for-you funnel things or whatever it is, and they basically didn't do anything for you? Uh, maybe you even tried them out and you saw that it was kind of a waste of time. Well, there's a reason for that. It's because all these other done-for-you packages, they basically what they do is they give you a cookie-cutter copy of everybody else's stuff, so you end up looking like everybody else. What if you could get a completely unique, completely done for you funnel in about 5 seconds? And I'm not kidding. It literally takes 5 seconds. I'm going to show you how fast it is. Okay. It's all coming up in my review of Shuffler. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. Now, why would that be? Well, it's actually quite simple. It's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the few people who can pull on successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be a stale as well. The day-old bread that you used to get at the bakery, but now you kind of can't get that anymore anyhow because it's all homogenized, but whatever. Used to be you could get day-old bread. I used to buy like day-old cakes, and they were pretty good actually from Entenmann's. But I don't think they sell those anymore. That's a shame. Anyway, sorry. But anyway, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you may ask? Well, it's actually quite simple because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Bart, really? Do you have any idea how annoying that guy is? Every day, yakety, 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 same exact thing over and over and over again. Bart, get a new line. Really? It's enough. You know, I'm reminded of that line from Frasier where he's talking about how annoying it is to play the same character for 20 years in a row. It hasn't been 20 years since I've been hearing from Bart, but it sure feels like it every single day, same thing. The way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you, Liz Lemon. See, I love this. She's a sweetheart, isn't she? I absolutely love her. Anyway, if you are new to the channel, make sure that you go ahead and smash that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe, it doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. And we are on the sales page for Shuffler.
I can shuffle a deck of cards.
Oh, good.
Okay. I'm glad you can shuffle a deck for cards, but I bet you can't shuffle a squeeze page, can you? Didn't think so. Anyway, but seriously, so this is Shuffler. You can see some of the money that's been made using the software. Honestly, I don't know if it's really been made entirely from the software, because every time I see these kinds of things, by the way, before I forget, stick around. I'm going to show you how to get $4 off, just so you know. But anyhow, every time I see these kind of things, I get a little bit nervous just because, like, you know, these are people who are have big lists already, so they're obviously going to make more money than somebody's brand new. But that doesn't mean you can't make money, especially with Shuffler. This is a really, really, really cool piece of software. I wish I had thought of it myself. Really brilliant stuff. Okay. But you definitely can make serious money using this particular piece of software. And I'm going to show you in just a moment how to get $4 off of the price. I'm also going to go ahead and tell you about my custom bonuses, because as always, I have the best custom bonuses that you're going to find anywhere. So here's the deal. Shuffler is an amazing piece of software. Of course, the big trick is always going to be getting traffic to your offers. And so in order to cut right to the chase, here's the deal. I am going to do something unprecedented. Okay, I have software that I use to drive traffic, free traffic to my offers. It costs me a tremendous amount of money. I pay for every time I use it. in order to do that. But basically, for the first 50 people who buy Shuffler from me, and it is going to be limited to the first 50, I have to, because the fact that I pay a per use fee for doing this, I'm going to create a campaign for you to send traffic to your Shuffler funnel. That means that you go ahead and just send me the link, and I am going to personally make sure, well, either me or my assistant will make sure that you actually are going to get traffic sent to your offer. And again, it's going to be completely unique stuff. You're not going to have to worry about, basically creating something brand new. It's every single time you use Shuffler, it's going to be completely unique. I'm going to show you how the software works in just a minute. So you're going to get that campaign completely for free from me. In addition to that, I'm giving you 10 of my best courses on generating traffic, including my rarely seen video, which is coming out in November in my Email Success Secrets course, about how I was able to generate over $600 and over 200 fresh buyer leads with about 5 minutes of effort. Okay, nobody else is able to do such a crazy thing. I was able to do it, and it's literally 5 minutes of work. I'm going to show you how exactly I was able to do that. That's one of the 10 traffic courses, plus every single person who buys the basic copy of Shuffler from me. And yes, I'm going to show you how to get $4 off in just a moment. I am going to give you a campaign to drive traffic to your offer. If you pick up any upgrade from me, then I'm going to give you several other bonus options. Option number one, you get a free copy of SEO Explosion, which is my software for doing SEO work, or you can get a free copy of BoostOptIn, or you can get a free copy of my own conversion champ. You get your choice of one of those three pieces of software if you pick up any upgrade from me. On top of those things, if you pick up any 2 upgrades, I'm also going to give you a shout out to my 7,000 Instagram followers. Again, this is going to drive traffic to the funnel you're going to create with Shuffling. You'll see how easy it is, by the way, in just a second. So that's also going to be included for you. Okay, now let me show you how to get $4 off. Basically, all I'm going to do is like this. I'm going to refresh the page over here for just a second. I know I'm going to disappear, and I'll come back in just a moment. There I am again. Okay, so what you do is you go ahead and try to exit. You can see it's going to go ahead and put this thing up. Hold on, and then you just click here in order to get $4 off. In order to get your discount, make sure that you don't waste time on doing it. It does say the 17 guarantee discount remaining. I don't know if that's actually true or not, but I wouldn't waste time. Make sure that you get in for the $4 discount as soon as possible. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at the members area of Shuffler. I want to show you how easy this thing is. It's very, very simple to use Shuffler. Okay, so basically you can see here it's a very, very simple members area, and basically all you do is like this. You're going to select what kind of a funnel you want. So internet marketing, self-help, health and fitness. Let's go for internet marketing, for example. Okay, so all you're going to do is select internet marketing, and you're going to click shuffle it. All right, and then it's going to automatically go ahead and generate a ready-made squeeze page for you. You don't like the squeeze page? Click shuffle it again. Right, and basically that's all you do is just click the thing again. Instantly, brand new page, brand new headline, brand new everything, and there's literally an unlimited number of these things. So you're not going to have the same thing as anybody else. Okay, every single one of these is going to be completely unique, and then all you're going to do is click keep it. Okay, and you're going to copy the link, and that's it. That's literally all you got to do. Okay, and it'll show you it's already going to build in everything for you. Okay, you're going to have an offer already selected for you. You just got to go ahead and add inside of the Shuffler software. You're going to add in your own link to ClickBank, your own ClickBank account, so you'll get paid for it. Okay, and of course, it's also going to collect the leads for you. All right, and you can also choose if you want to switch out for something else. You can go ahead and choose something else. But basically, all you do is put these things in. You can also change the text and all these kind of good stuff. So it's very, very, very easy to do. Okay, you can just leave it the way it is if you want to, or you can go ahead and add anything you like. Copy the link, and that's the link, by the way, that you're going to send to me in order to get your free traffic campaign to your offer. Okay, and it's literally that simple. It's dead simple to use the software to create whatever you like. It's super duper easy. Okay, and that's pretty much it. That's all you got to do. You know. There's get traffic. This is basically just going to be traffic courses, I believe. All right, yeah. So you're going to have various things in order to send this link to places, which is also nice. But obviously, going to be getting my 10 traffic courses plus my bonus campaign they're going to give you in order to get traffic. So let's see if I'm going to give it 10 minutes to the product creator or not.
You rock!
Indeed, you rock. This is amazing, amazing software. I absolutely love this software. Like, seriously, this is a game changer for everybody. If you're struggling to collect leads, this is going to help you to collect leads like nothing else, because you're going to have a completely unique offer that nobody else has available, which is something that I've never seen anybody else do something like this. So this is truly unique. Grab this one fast. This one is so worth grabbing.